Morning, my dear students. Welcome back for the online session of English classes. Today, we are going to study English grammar. In our last online class, we have learned that in an English alphabet, there are 26 letters. So, out of these 26 letters, 5 are vowels and the rest 21 letters are consonants. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U and the rest 21 letters are known to be as consonants. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So now you can able to understand out of these 26 letters, 5 are vowels that are A, E, I, O, U and the rest 21 letters are consonants. A and the, these are articles. In our last class, we have learned that where to use a and where to use an. Look at this. We use an before words which begin with vowels A, E, I, O, U. So before vowels means A, E, I, O, U, these are the vowels, we have to use an. Like for example, an apple, an eye, an island, an octopus, an uncle. So in these words, apple, eye, island, octopus, uncle, these words are starting with vowels. So before vowels we have to use an. Next, we use a before words that begin with a consonant. Like for example, a girl, a clock, a lamp. So these words girl, clock, lamp, starting letters are consonants like G, C, L. Okay, so we have to use A before consonants. My dear children, I hope you all have completed this homework in your English copy. You have to choose vowel and consonant and you have to write in this box. This one also I have given you for your homework. Articles, filling the blanks with correct articles a or an. So you have to read out this word and you have to write a or an in their proper place. I hope this one you have completed in your English copy. So this is your grammar book, articles a and the. So question number 1, filling the missing vowels. This one we have completed in our last class. Next question, filling the missing consonants. This also we have completed in our last class. Then filling the blanks with a or an, like a bow and an arrow, a flower in a vase, a girl in a long skirt, an Eskimo in an igloo, an animal in a zoo, an owl on a branch. Next, what is it? Use a or an before the words given in the box. This also we have completed in our last class. Like you in this box, different words are here. You have to choose correct word from the box and you have to write in this blank, and before using this word you have to use a or an. Like number 1 is written over here, rose, a flower. Second, apple, a fruit. Third, ant, an insect. Fourth, parrot, a bird. Fifth, potato, a vegetable. Sixth, car, a vehicle. Seventh, football, a game. 8. Tiger, an animal. Coming to the next question. It is written, complete the sentences with a or an. So you have to complete the sentences by using a or an. First one is, he is dash doctor. So in the word doctor, letter D is a consonant, so we have to use a. Second, I can ride dash bicycle. In the word bicycle, letter B is a consonant, so we have to use A. Third, he is dash old man. So in the word old, O is a vowel, so we have to use an. Fourth, I carry dash umbrella when it rains. In the word umbrella, letter U is a vowel, so we have to use an. Fifth, mother bakes the cake in dash oven. So in the word oven, letter O is a vowel, so we have to use an. Sixth, I can see dash aeroplane on the runway. In the word aeroplane, letter A is a vowel, so we have to use an. Seventh, there is dash rainbow in the sky. In the word rainbow, letter R is a consonant, so we have to use A. 8. The man cut some firewood with dash axe. So in the word axe, A letter is a vowel, so we have to use an. Number 9. Put the card in dash envelope. So in the word envelope, letter E is a vowel, you have to use an. 10. I saw dash man and dash woman writing dash as. So I saw dash man. In the word man, letter M is a consonant, so we have to use A. And dash woman. In the word woman, letter W is a consonant, so we have to use A. Writing dash as. So in the word as, A is a vowel, so we have to use an. So my dear children, now you can able to see how we have used this A and an in their proper place. I am going to read it out. Number 1, he is a doctor. Number 2, I can ride a bicycle. Number 3, he is an old man. Number 4, I carry an umbrella when it rains. Number 5, mother bakes the cake in an oven. Number 6, I can see an aeroplane on the runway. Number 7, there is a rainbow in the sky. Number 8, the man cut some firewood with an axe. Number 9, put the card in an envelope. Number 10, I saw a man and a woman riding an ass. So our next question is, complete the following with a or an. Here also you have to use a or an. First one is, Neeru wanted to drink lime juice. She cut dash lemon and squeezed the juice into dash glass. She added dash spoon of sugar. Then she put in dash ice cube and drank the juice. Neeru wanted to drink lime juice. She cut dash lemon. In the word lemon, letter L is a consonant. You have to use A. And squeezed the juice into dash glass. In the word glass, letter G is a consonant, so you have to use A. She added dash spoon of sugar. In the word spoon, letter S is a consonant, so you have to use A. Then she put in dash ice cube and drank the juice. In the word ice, letter I is a vowel, so you have to use an. So Neeru wanted to drink lime juice. She cut a lemon and squeezed the juice into a glass. She added a spoon of sugar. Then she put in an ice cube and drank the juice. Second, once dash fisherman went to dash river. He caught dash big fish with dash net. He put it in dash bag and took it home. His wife cut it with dash sharp knife and cooked it in dash pan. So once dash fisherman. In the word fisherman, letter F is a consonant, so you have to use A. Went to dash river. In the word river, letter R is a consonant, so you have to use A. He caught dash big fish. In the word big, letter B is a consonant, so you have to use A. With dash net. In the word net, letter N is a consonant, so you have to use A. He put it in dash bag. In the word bag, letter B is a consonant, so you have to use A. And took it home. His wife cut it with dash sharp knife. In the word sharp, S letter is a consonant, so you have to use A. And cooked it in dash pan. In the word pan, letter P is a consonant, so you have to use A. So once a fisherman went to a river. He caught a big fish with a net. He put it in a bag and took it home. His wife cut it with a sharp knife and cooked it in a pan. Number 3. Mother bought dash loaf of bread and dash jar of jam. I ate dash slice of bread with dash glass of milk. So, mother bought dash loaf of bread. So, in the word loaf, L letter is a consonant, so you have to use A. And dash jar of jam. In the word jar, letter J is a consonant, so you have to use A. I ate dash slice of bread. In the word slice, letter S is a consonant, so you have to use A. With dash glass of milk. In the word glass, letter G is a consonant, so you have to use A. So, mother bought a loaf of bread and a jar of jam. I ate a slice of bread with a glass of milk. Number 4. This is my room. It has dash door and dash window. There is dash table, dash chair and dash bed in my room. So this is my room. It has dash door. So in the word door, letter D is a consonant, so you have to use A. And dash window. In the word window, letter W is a consonant, so you have to use A. There is dash table. So in the word table, T letter is a consonant, so you have to use A. Dash chair. In the word chair, C is a consonant, so you have to use A. And dash bed in my room. In the word bed, letter B is a consonant, so you have to use A. So this is my room. It has a door and a window. There is a table, a chair, and a bed in my room. So my dear children, now you can able to understand where we have to use A and where we have to use an. So that's it for today. Thank you.